Ekitongole eki kikatandika n'okutendeka abaramuzi omu kyanga ekyarango hamwe na Acholi okuba katsiga abaramuzi 84 bakugukire omu nkora egi. Eri izooba batandika kutendeka abaramuzi kuruga omuri Mbarara, Bushenyi, Kabare hamwe na Rukonjeri. Omushomo ogu ogurikuza kumara ebiro 5 aha Las Vegas Hotel muri Mbarara nibija kwongyera habukugu omu buryo obu kandi bahebwa n'ebihandiiko by'okubikiriza kuhereza obuherezo obu.
This week we are holding here in Mbarara a workshop for judicial officers from Mbarara, Bushenyi, Kabale and Rukonjeri in this critical areas of alternative dispute resolution and also other areas of case management.
Okurugirira ahari Honorable Justice John Okou Kajuga uri kukora nka mukuru w'abaramuzi nengashi principal judge. Enkora egi eyosirweho konko bwa hati nibenda kujonjera Amaani.
The chronic problem of backlog and to deliver timely justice, and not only timely but one which the people own and which they recognize, and we believe that even leads to less appeals because people walk away satisfied from the courts.
Ekyo kureberaho aha mishango 8 yacwirwe mu kushobororwa kurabira omu buryo obu omuri Mbarara 43 hari egi ekashobororwa gye ekirikwereka ngu emiringo egi yakozesebwa gye oburemezi oburi omu makoti nibubasa kutuuba omu nkora ezi. Omuramuzi naibembera okwikirizangana konka twari kucwamu ekintu ekirikwetagisa obukugu bwingi hamwe n'obwesigo.
We call it alternative, but the Honorable Chief Justice likes to say it is really the African and ordinary way that Africans resolve their disputes. And we have convened this training so that we can teach the judicial officers who are going to be accredited as mediators to think about alternative ways that they can deliver justice quicker to the people and involve them in arriving at the resolution of their disputes by themselves.
Obiyaba nagamba aha mukoro ogu owabire ari omuhwezi wa mukuru w'ekitongore Honorable Justice Retired yashoborera ngu n'obwenkora egi erikwetengwa munonga eshemerire kukuratira amateeka kandi omuramuzi twari kucwamu kwereka ogwe n'okushuganisa okwikirizangana ahagati y'embaju zombiri ezirikuba ziine obutaikirizangana.
Be aware also that you have the duty to put into considerations the values, the norms and aspirations of the people. Article 2 states that in adjudicating cases of a civil or criminal nature, the courts shall, subject to the law, keep noting the emphasis on the law, that it is subject to the law, apply the following principles. A. Justice shall be done to all, irrespective of their social or economic status.
Okurigirira aha kucondoza okurigire kukorwa aha mishango 10 erikubaho mu ihangeri 10 yonka niyo rukwera omukoti. Ekyo nikyoreka ngu okwikirizangana kw'abanya-Uganda kwatebwamu ebiragiro ekitongore kiramuzi nikija kwerwaho muno.